we started the representation concept 12 years back, and I'm proud to say that we were the first one to pioneer the concept, and we have been very successful in the last 12 years and going strength to strength as we move forward.
The representation vertical of the Nijavan Group survives, thrives and thrills upon the same 4 pillars that the group has, which are integrity, sincerity, hard work and values. At Representation, we take pride in representing some of the top world-class theme parks, tourism boards and hotels from across the world. Today, as Representation, we boast of a portfolio of over 17 representations. The representation portfolio is spread across 76 countries. We have been representing hotels in Dubai for almost 10 years. Similarly, Hong Kong, we've had presence for almost over a decade now. We represent hotels in Sri Lanka, in Maldives, in Kenya, and now with Kempinski, the portfolio has spread far and beyond and has even touched Europe, Bangkok, etc. Now the big question, why representations? India is a very, very diverse market. Each part of India completely functions differently from the other. It's actually not one country, it has a lot of mini countries within itself. As a sales and marketing office for all my various representations, we bring to them India on a platter. We bring to them our diverse sales network of the travel agents across India. We bring to them 45 years of our existence in India. We have dedicated sales offices in all 4 metro cities, which is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai. We have physical foot soldiers going on aggressive sales calls every day and covering the market extensively for all the products that we represent. So besides the aggressive sales that are covered very well across India every day, what we also do is initiate very strategic marketing partnerships for our various representations.
Priyanka and the team are well versed in their business. They are well versed to the extent that they are able to position each of my 5 brands in the right sweet spot. It is not an easy job. We have 5-star luxury to a 3-star value-add brand. To position them in their own merits on the right spot is essential for our brand purposes, and we find that this is perfectly done with the Nijavan Group.
I'm sure our group will continue to take the advantage of this growth from India to add more clients both in the hotels and the tourism board.
While adding new accounts to our current portfolio is definitely a part of the plan, what will remain our key focus area is the commitment of delivery to our existing principles, and that is what sets us apart.